Hi everyone. Today we're showcasing the top 5 best Wi-Fi USB adapter available in the market. If you want prices or more details, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at Brothers Trend B6500 USB Wi-Fi 7 adapter. This Wi-Fi 7 USB adapter delivers a major leap in wireless performance, making it an excellent upgrade for modern PCs. With support for 6 GHz, 5 GHz, and 2.4 GHz bands, it achieves impressive tri-band speeds up to 6.5 gigabits per second, ensuring smooth gaming, fast downloads, and lag-free 4K per 8K streaming. Advanced technologies like 4K, QAM, 160 MHz channels, multi-RU, and preamble puncturing help reduce congestion and maintain stable, high-speed connections even in crowded networks. The dual external antennas and beamforming significantly improve signal strength and coverage, providing reliable connectivity through walls and at longer distances. Setup is simple thanks to the built-in driver, though Windows 11 is required for full 6 GHz support. However, the lack of macOS, Linux, and Bluetooth compatibility may limit some users. Overall, it's a powerful, future-ready Wi-Fi 7 adapter ideal for high-performance users seeking speed and stability. Now our second product is U-Green Wi-Fi adapter. This Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter offers a solid balance of speed, convenience, and reliability for everyday users. With combined dual band speeds up to 600 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 287 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz, it ensures smooth streaming, online browsing, and low-latency video playback. The dual-band design allows better flexibility, with faster speeds on 5 GHz and wider coverage on 2.4 GHz, ideal for typical home or office setups. One of its strongest advantages is the built-in driver support for Windows 10/11, making installation quick and hassle-free without needing external downloads. The adapter also works as both a receiver and transmitter, allowing your PC to share its connection as a hotspot. Security is well covered with WPA/WPA2 encryption support. However, it lacks compatibility with macOS and Linux. Overall, it's a practical and user-friendly Wi-Fi 6 solution for stable wireless performance. Our third product is WavLink USB Wi-Fi adapter. This Wi-Fi 7 USB adapter stands out as a powerful next-generation networking upgrade, delivering tri-band speeds up to 688 megabits per second, 2.4 GHz, and an impressive 2,882 megabits per second on both 5 GHz and 6 GHz bands. With advanced features like MLO, multi-link operation, and multi-RU, it ensures ultra-low latency and stable performance, making it ideal for 8K streaming, competitive gaming, and heavy file transfers. However, to fully unlock 6 GHz speeds, Windows 11, 21H2 or later is required. Installation is straightforward thanks to the built-in driver for Windows 10/11, reducing setup hassle. The device also offers flexible receive and hotspot modes, along with USB 3.0 for high-speed data transfer. 4.5 dBi antennas enhance signal strength, while LED lighting adds a modern touch. Overall, it's a high-performance, feature-rich Wi-Fi 7 adapter designed for users seeking speed, stability, and future-ready connectivity. Now number 4, Brothers Trend 2-in-1 USB Wi-Fi Bluetooth adapter. This all-in-one USB adapter is a practical upgrade for users looking to add both Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 in a single device. Delivering speeds up to 600 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 287 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. It leverages OFDMA and 1024 QAM to provide smoother streaming, responsive gaming, and stable video calls. For best results, pairing it with a Wi-Fi 6 router ensures optimal performance. The Bluetooth 5.4 support is a major advantage, allowing connection to multiple devices like headphones, keyboards, and speakers with a reliable range of up to 32 feet. Setup is simple thanks to the built-in driver, making installation quick on Windows 10/11. Its compact design fits easily into any setup, while ventilation holes help maintain cooling during long use. However, it lacks Mac and Linux support, which may limit some users. Overall, a compact and efficient connectivity solution. And our last choice is a USB Bluetooth Wi-Fi adapter. This 802.11N USB adapter is a reliable, budget-friendly solution for improving basic wireless and Bluetooth connectivity on desktops and laptops. With speeds up to 150 megabits per second, it provides stable performance for everyday tasks like HD streaming, web browsing, and light online gaming. While it doesn't match newer Wi-Fi standards, its 2.4 GHz coverage is strong and consistent, making it suitable for typical home use where long-range stability matters more than peak speed. The integrated Bluetooth 4.0 support is a valuable addition, allowing connection to up to 7 devices within a 10-meter range, along with soft AP functionality to share internet connections. Powered by the RTL 8723BU chipset, it ensures dependable performance and broad compatibility with Windows systems. Installation is straightforward with downloadable drivers. However, it lacks support for modern high-speed networks and advanced OS platforms. Overall, a solid entry-level adapter for basic wireless needs. So, what do you think about these products? If you found this video helpful and want easy decision-making tips, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.